Now I would request Dr. M.S. Bhatia sir, Chief Coordinator of this FDP, to address the theme of this FDP.
Hello, Bhatia sir.
हॅलो भाटिया सर, तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये.
भाटिया सर म्यूट आहात तुम्ही.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
A very good morning to all participants. I am Dr. Manish Bhatia, coordinator of this FDP, professor and head of the pharmaceutical chemistry department and vice principal at Bharati Vidyapeeth College of Pharmacy, Kolhapur. On behalf of team BBCPK, it's my pleasure to welcome all enthusiastic participants. A very good morning to one and all. I feel that all participants must be aspiring to explore this thrust and emerging area of artificial intelligence with respect to its utility in pharmaceutical sciences, and particularly the pharmacokinetic aspects of drug development and drug utilization. Artificial intelligence, though is just simulation of human intelligence in machines, it involves handling huge data and analyzing it to get targeted outcomes. This would involve intelligent algorithms which require good domain experts and programmers working together, thus creating opportunity for diverse set of subject experts. Experts from the complete artificial intelligence spectrum of activities related to drug development, right from new chemical entity research to clinical research, are invited to share their experiences with all of us. Over the past decades, the role of artificial intelligence based tools in chemical and biological data mining, cum analysis for drug development has grown rapidly. Development of drugs, its products, and therapy utilizing optimum resources will soon become a reality with modern artificial intelligence tools. Moreover, though quantum computing is not easily accessible today, looking at the pace of technical developments, it won't be long before we reach a point where every lab will have a quantum computer and will thus improve the speed and economy of all drug development processes and thus affect the net outcome of our work. Thus, understanding what could be its impact is very essential. Further improvement in quality of artificial intelligence tools and the speed factor getting a quantum leap with quantum computing will make parallel processing and the synchronized analysis of various physical, physicochemical, biochemical, and physiological processes a practical reality. Thus, let's pledge together to get involved in keeping up with time and play our role as key domain experts to build and utilize available artificial intelligence tools to contribute our professional share to nation building. Our team at this college has tried to contribute its best to the AICT initiatives for development of faculty through the Atal Academy. Hope all of us have a fulfilling experience through lots of intelligent knowledge sharing interactions over the next 5 days of this FDP. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir, for addressing the theme of this FDP. Now, moving towards our very first session, it will be my honor to introduce our today's first speaker, Dr. Prashant Murumkar, sir. He is currently working as an assistant professor, DY Director, Office of Alumni Affairs, and Senate member, the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda, Vadodara. Sir has qualified B.Pharm and M.Pharm from the North Maharashtra University, Jalgaon, postgraduate diploma from National Academy of Legal Studies and Research University, Hyderabad, and PhD in pharmacy from the Maharaja Sayajirao University of Baroda. Sir is having the academic experience of 14 years and is research expertise in 3D QSAR, COMFA, docking, pharmacophore, virtual screening and homology modeling, structure and ligand-based drug of some novel enzyme inhibitors, synthesis of various novel enzyme inhibitors, expertise in hit-to-lead identification